everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So right now it's Saturday morning. Today's video is just going to be very casual, like sort of a day in the lifestyle type video. You guys have been asking for me to do more of these, so I'm going to be doing that today. We're just going to be getting some projects done around the house today, mainly in the boys' room because we just got their bunk beds in the mail and their bedding. But first I'm making us some breakfast, and our favorite weekend breakfast to have is scrambled eggs, toast, and turkey bacon. Our other favorite is waffles and fruit. Okay, so we just got done eating breakfast and Jalen is out in the living room playing with the boys so that I can get this room cleaned up before we can set up the bunk beds, before I can get started on this room makeover. This room needs to be cleaned and I need to go through these toys again and get them organized. I feel like I just did this, but I think that I've come up with a plan of a way that we can keep this room clean and organized after I get this bedroom makeover done with. We are going to stick to the plan and keep this room clean, hopefully. So I need to start taking stuff off the walls, the bookshelves, the letters, different things like that. Before I do that though, I'm gonna clean up this room. I'm gonna move Kyle's mattress out of here just so that we have room to set up the bunk beds. Okay, so we made progress. We got most of the room cleaned up. We cleared off this whole wall, took down the crib, took everything off the wall. So now we've got a clean slate to work with. But I took everything off the wall, and those bookshelves, they require 8 different holes in the wall. So I'm going to show you just how bad the wall looks afterwards. You can see I've got so many holes that I have to fill in here on the wall and paint over. I'm going to try to do the best job that I can. I'm not a professional, but I'm going to try to do the best that I can. So I'm going to fill in these holes, let that dry, paint over it, and then we can get started setting up stuff over here. These were those IKEA spice racks that I had hanging on the wall. I just don't want to deal with it again. I don't want to make more holes in the walls, so I decided that I'm just going to pack these away, probably use them in my future pantry. And I think I'm going to go on Amazon today and order this like black metal hanging bookcase that I saw on there, because that will only require like 2 screws into the wall, and that's it. I don't have to put 8 more screws in the wall. So I need to get this started so that we can get this bunk bed set up. Okay, so I just finished this whole back wall. I got all of the holes filled in, I touched up the paint, and now I'm going to vacuum the floor here under this wall so that we can start setting up the bunk bed. we got the whole thing put together. It was a little bit more of a job than we thought it was going to be. I should say Jalen got the whole thing put together because all I really did was hold it, so thank you. I'm not going to show you guys any more of this room makeover until I put out the room makeover video. Hopefully that will be out within the next week, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so we are starving, and thank goodness I have an easy home chef meal to make for lunch. It's the weekend, so I don't like to cook a ton over the weekend. Just keep it simple. Here is what I'm going to be whipping up for lunch, and Home Chef is sponsoring today's video. If you haven't heard of Home Chef before, they are a meal kit service company, so you can click my link down below, head to their website, sign up with your email, and then pick out the meals that you want. They have such a huge selection to pick from over on their website. You can select what your preferences are, how many people are in your family. I selected to get this meal for 4 servings. Each of these bags are 2 servings, so I got 2 of these for 4 servings. And I love the packaging on everything. It's just so convenient. You've got all of your ingredients that you need in these packages. The meat is packaged separately in the bottom of the box so that it's all covered in ice packs. So this is the first time that I've ever seen one of these oven ready meals on their website. So basically you just mix everything in the container that it comes with, and then it's just ready to put right in the oven. So super easy. It's a perfect meal for today because I don't feel like cooking a ton. I love to get a variety of meals in my box, some easy ones to have for lunch like salads and stuff, and then some bigger meals for supper. You can also get some smoothie recipes in your box, and you can select how often you want to get the boxes. Like, you don't have to get them every single week. I usually only get 1 box a month just to give myself a break one of the weeks out of the month. I don't have to grocery shop or meal plan. And with the coupon code that I'll have come up here on the screen, you can get $20 off of each of your first 4 boxes, which equals a total of $80 off. An amazing deal. So we're gonna get this put into the oven and get it baking so that we can eat, because like I said, we're starving. I'll let you know how this tastes once it's done cooking. So we are outside now. I came out to check on the chickens and gathered the eggs. We just got done eating lunch and it was very yummy. All 4 of us loved it. Jalen is over here with the drone. He's gonna take it up and try to get some footage. We got a couple storms around here on the mountain. Last night we got like almost an inch of rain in 40 minutes, so it was like a flood around here. There's still a ton of puddles, but I just love monsoon season. I love being able to get rain every day because we don't get a lot of rain for most of the year. I leave my chickens loose all day long, every day, and there's the turkey flying up into the tree. If you saw in one of my previous videos, I shared that we have a wild turkey that has been living in our backyard for probably like 2 months now. He's just sort of made this his home, and he loves hanging out with the chickens. The boys haven't been able to swim much lately because it keeps being so cloudy and rainy and windy. It's like they knocked over their feeder. When their feed gets wet, it just cakes around the bottom of this feeder. You gotta try to get it unstuck so that they can actually get the feed. Came back here to check for eggs, and it looks like the boys were back here playing yesterday with the loader. Looks like we got 3 eggs. Unfortunately, I just realized that I am missing a chicken. There's only 4 chickens here, and I'm supposed to have 5 chickens. So I'm hoping that a coyote didn't eat one of my chickens. So yeah, that kind of stinks. I guess I shouldn't be leaving them out all day long, but they've just enjoyed so much being outside. And you would think with the dogs that the coyotes wouldn't come close to the house. Everything is looking so green from all of the rain that we've been having, and it's such a beautiful day. It's nice and cloudy. There's just storms in the distance. It's not hot and sunny, nice breeze going. Just such beautiful weather. I'm gonna miss monsoon season so much when it's over. going to close out this video right here. Give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you want me to do one of these more casual day in the lifestyle videos every once in a while on my channel. And also stay tuned for the boys' room makeover video, which I'll probably be posting in about a week. And one last thing, don't forget to click the link down below to go and check out Home Chef and use my coupon code to get $20 off of each of your first 4 boxes, equaling a total of $80 off. And I will see you all in a few days with a brand new video. Bye.
Just like dump the dirt and then dump it in here.
Cool.
And then I dump it.